Oh, Chrissy, and oh, honey, what is for dinner? Chef Andres from The Lot is teaching us how to make aguachile today. Chef, good morning. Good to see you.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for having me.
I do the aguachile, and I usually do it with shrimp. I'm excited to learn today the sea bass version of this. I've never done this.
Excellent. It's very similar, and it's just perfect for this kind of weather, actually.
It is so good. It is so good. Okay, so aguachile, for anybody who may not be familiar of just the dish overall, what is it?
Well, it's a typical Mexican dish. It comes from the state of Sinaloa, basically. And as you put it, it traditionally is made with shrimp, using raw shrimp, and it's cured in the lime juices that are prepared for the sauce for the dish.
Okay.
So it's a very fast, fresh, light, and healthy dish that we're gonna make.
Very healthy, and I like to make this on a summer day, and summer is right around the corner. So you're gonna use sea bass. Tell us how to do this. I see a bunch of beautiful, fresh, green ingredients in front of me.
Yeah, okay, so what you got over there is cucumber, which is key for making aguachile. You got cilantro, you got green limes, you got serrano chilies, you got red onions.
Yes.
And that's going to be turned into the sauce with the lime juice, and we're going to pour it over our fish. So we want to get started with that?
Yes, let's get started on the sauce. I'm going to take this top off.
You're gonna chop your cucumber, which I think it's already chopped.
Yeah, somebody already chopped it for me, Chef. They make my job really easy around here.
Just drop it in.
Okay.
Take some of your onion.
Onion.
Pop it in the blender.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it like one onion?
Now with the serrano chiles.
Doesn't matter.
A little bit less. That's fine.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Serrano chiles. Just a little observation here.
Yes.
You don't want to add the whole serrano because they're really, really, really spicy. It really is up to you, but I prefer just half a serrano with the seed.
Okay.
And the rest, just get the seeds off, okay?
Okay.
So it's not as spicy because the spice level can get really high. Now, traditionally, aguachiles are really, really spicy.
Okay.
Are great for hangover pickups, you know?
Yes. Okay.
Then, cilantro.
Cilantro, like one bunch?
Yeah, the top parts only.
The top part. Okay.
Great.
Got that.
And you're gonna add lime juice.
Lime juice.
Goes in around half a cup.
Half a cup.
Excellent. Add a little bit of salt if you have some salt around there.
Salt.
If not, you can add it at the very end. Don't worry.
We'll add the salt at the end because I don't see it on the table right here. Okay.
Correct. So now we're going to do the blending. Exactly.
Okay.
So go for it.
Okay. I need salt.
Okay.
Oh, no, get the top. Okay. Oh, that smell. All right.
It's just a very nice citrusy, fresh, pungent smell.
Okay.
And we're going to take your fish. Where's your fish?
Sea bass. How much sea bass? This is just chopped up into little pieces, yes?
Yeah, we're going to use around 4 ounces. So take a little bunch.
Okay.
And place it at the bottom of your plate.
Bottom of my plate. Well, like
mine, I have it like cut into like sashimi cuts.
Okay.
It's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, and just place it on the bottom of your dish.
Okay.
You're doing great. Then you're gonna take your sauce.
Okay.
You're gonna pour it over the aguachile.
Pour it over the aguachile.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Just around the fish.
Okay.
You don't want to make it into a soup. You just want to have them,
right,
sitting around the juice.
Okay.
And then you're going to take more of your red onion.
More of my red onion.
You can add a little bit more juice. I think you can add a little bit more juice.
I can add more juice. Okay.
Yes.
A little bit more juice. Okay. More red onion.
Then you're going to garnish with your red onions.
Okay.
You can add some radish, which I added at the last minute. I'm sorry.
Okay. Radish.
But you put the radish. And final touches of cilantro, and take one of your cucumbers.
Okay. Where are my Oh, I put all my
chop
Oh.
all of them. Exactly.
Okay.
And those will go at the top part of your aguachile. And you are sort of having a little dish looking exactly like that. Okay?
I think yours is prettier than mine, but I do get an A for effort. Come on, chef.
You did amazingly. So it's really good.
I love this. If you want the professional style and not the Shali style, you can come to the lot and have this.
Definitely, please join us. We're here. We're very excited to be back. We can't wait to have people at the restaurant and at the lot in general. We're having movies. We're having the bar scene. We have everything just open up back for business since 2-3 weeks ago. So please
I love it.
Join us.
Yeah,
we'll be waiting for you.
People are missing it, and I'm sure they're going to head out the door and come make those plans in the coming days and weeks. Chef, thank you for your time. Appreciate it. I now know how to make aguachile with fish.
Enjoy it with a nice cold beer now.
Oh, don't do that to me, Chef. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, Raul, we'll send it over to you. Aguachile!
That looked delicious. Gotta get out to the lot again. Some local college students crossed the stage in front of family.